Hey everybody, Dan here with TrendSpider, and in this video I'm going to show you a brand new enhancement that we've just pushed out to the TrendSpider Strategy Tester. This is a little update that's designed to make your life easier as you're refining and tweaking your strategies, trying to optimize them for the best performance. So with that little introduction out of the way, let me show you how it looks like and how you can use it. You'll see on my screen here, I've got a strategy preloaded. This is something I've talked about in previous videos, so I'm going to spare you the details of the strategy right now. But to be short, it's a Donchian channel crawl strategy that tries to ride the channels up and stop when they start to turn around. When I click run, TrendSpider is going to go back and download the historical data for this symbol SPXL, which is a leverage ETF, and calculate what would have happened in the past had I traded this way. I'm now going to maximize the strategy tester so it takes up my full screen. And I'm going to think about how can I enhance this strategy so that perhaps it'll perform a little bit better. Right now it's beating buy and hold handsomely, 95% to 5%, but let's see if we can do better. So let's take a look at the Price Behavior Explorer. I'm going to maximize that and it's going to take up my whole screen. And you'll notice on the top right here, I only have two of these legend items selected. I have the 96th percentile volatility range of the winning trades, and I have the 96th percentile volatility of the losing trades. And if I look down here, I can see pretty clearly that winning trades tend to dip, but they tend to dip around 1.3 or so percent, and they tend to do so pretty quickly and recover, by the time about 10, 12 candles have passed. Meanwhile, losing trades tend to do poorly right away and dip much lower. They dip to about 4.5%, all the way down to 8%. So I'm going to go back to my conditions and I'm going to add another exit condition to see if we can improve the performance of this strategy. I'm going to click Add Candles Passed. I'm going to make a condition that will exit after 10 candles have passed, but only if the P&L of the trade is 1% or less. Right? And we're going to see how this will change the strategy, and maybe it'll make it better or maybe it'll make it worse. And it made it better. You can see that when we simply curve fit it a little bit based on the Price Behavior Explorer chart, we're now returning 191% versus the same 5% if we bought and held. So hopefully that shows you that it's possible to do this, but let's dive in and say why. Why did that work? And the system will tell you why in this top right corner in the tabular data section. You can see that when we made the tweak, we increased the number of positions in our strategy by 87 additional trades. That means over 3 years, we had 87 additional chances to make money. We increased our percentage of winning trades by 11, right? We had now 51% of the trades in the strategy made money versus 49% that lost money. So we improved both the wins and the losses. We also reduced our maximum drawdown by 8 points. And we made a number of other changes that resulted in the performance. So we could continue to tweak the settings and see what would happen. Maybe if we make this 15 candles, it'll do worse, or maybe it'll do better. We'll be able to run the test and then look at the tabular data and look at the performance charts and see what happened. And you can see when we changed that from 10 to 15, we started to perform a lot worse. Right? So we can quickly just go back and say, okay, we're going to flip that back to 10 and rerun it again and reset it and then continue to experiment and tweak our conditions so that we can get our strategy to perform in a way that we think will help us be more profitable and more consistent in the market. Hopefully this video shows you how you can use the strategy tester's new exit criterions combined with its new tabular data and the new fields we've added to the Price Behavior Explorer to optimize your strategies and refine them. And if you have any questions or any feedback, let us know. We'd love to hear from you in ways that we can improve the product. That's what we live for. And with that out of the way, I just want to thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. For now, take care. Bye-bye.